Today I decided to ride to Kamala and Surin to see if I could find some beautiful, interesting spots there. I just felt like going for a ride and exploring this part of the island. The road was, pretty typical here. Lots of traffic, lots of chaos, but I decided to treat this as practice because after all, tough roads make better drivers. Kamala, well, it sounded beautiful, but there were more people than sand. So I tried to get into the mood. I even sat down to sketch, but it was kinda hard. Sometimes the beaches you see in photos and the ones you find in real life feel like two completely different places. Surin was also a miss. Beautiful, but again, crowds everywhere, just not my vibe. I think today I was doing a speed run of getting disappointed in Phuket beaches. On the way back home, I thought the day kinda didn't go as planned, but then I remembered why I arrived to Phuket initially, not for perfect pictures, but for real experiences. And in that case, it's kinda silly to be upset if something didn't turn out as expected. And then I got back home, and there it was. My favorite place here, empty, calm, real. This is where I always feel good. Sometimes a day just leads you to exactly where you are meant to be. So that was the day, not perfect, but still good, I suppose. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos.
Taste the salt on your brow, that fantasy leaves me now, sad in the woods once again. The other side of the leaves.